In this video, I'll show you how to get the discount code for limited users on Fundednext. Alright, so you've created your Fundednext account. You've gotten your peanut butter that you got on a Black Friday special. And you go into Refer and Earn on the left-hand side here. And you realize that you can't get access to the referral code or the discount code, and that is because, as you can see on the top here, we need to purchase an account and wait for 7 days. So purchasing an account and making a general account is not the same thing. So let's go back, and you'll notice on the top here you have an option for a free trial. Now it's only 7 days, so it's not going to work for getting that referral code. You need to start challenge. But I'm going to use the free trial just as an example. So you would click on Start Challenge, you'd select your account size, then they'll show you a payable amount here, and it'll take you to the payment section. Now, of course, I'm using the free trial, so it's going to just sort me out straight away. So let's click on Start Challenge over here. And now you'll notice I have 2 accounts here. So my general account, not what we want, but the free trial dashboard is where I want to be. And now you'll see it looks completely different from your normal dashboard. And again, after 7 days, you want to jump back into Refer and Earn, and then you'll have access to your discount code and you can send it to people. And if they sign up, you will be rewarded. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.